Hello. Just trying to make my way to what are known as the pepper pots in Up Holland / Orrell, Wigan. You'll find out why they call that. I'll put some pictures up from Google Earth, Google Maps. But they are actually 3 ventilation shafts which sit above the railway line in between the stations on the Manchester to Kirkby line, I think, and they are over in between the stations of Up Holland and Orrell, which are both in Wigan. So I'll just carry on navigating this little steep hill and I'll be back in a bit. I can now see all 3 of the ventilation shafts. See the first one in the distance there, second one just up on the hill, and the third one. Well, the first pepper pot right in front of me, and the Neo is right behind me, following. I'll just show you some of that footage right now. See the third one just behind this middle one, closer together than I anticipated. That's all good. Neo's still tracking me. The horses seem very interested, probably in the noise of the Neo. Noisy little thing, that. Get the other drone up, I think. Do some orbits of the ventilation shafts. I'll try and get over looking down at them. There's 2 holes in the top, obviously to let the air out, and they're situated over the railway line, or specifically over a bridge on the railway line that cuts under these fields here. And these were put here back in the days of steam engines or steam driven trains. As obviously, as you can imagine, going through a tunnel, they produce quite a lot of cloudy smoke, and that needs to go somewhere. So these were built and erected for that purpose. So let's get the other drone up in the air. I'll show you some more footage. horses. Just coming past pepper pot number 2. I'm not sure which is labelled or referred to as number 1 and 3, but I can guarantee the one in the middle is number 2. You can see just up ahead there on the railway track is one of the exit tunnels. So the 3 pepper pots are lined up over that tunnel, and all the steam would have been drawn out of the tunnel and up through the ventilation shafts. Obviously not needed now, but it's good that they're still standing, not been demolished. I don't know if they're used for anything else, but they certainly serve the purpose. And just thought I'd show you one of the tunnels. So this is the Orrell end, and the other one will be the Up Holland end. Not far, I think it's about 1¼ miles through the tunnel under those fields. And I think I'll just wrap up the video here. I hope you liked it. If you did, drop a like. If you've not already subscribed, subscribe. It's completely free and it definitely helps my small channel grow, so I'd really appreciate that. Thanks very much.